Here we go again, boys and girls. Matt from the Real Toy Shop. What have we got? Well, today we're doing a little walk around video, of the Yamaha MT-10 SP, but it's been remapped with a Decat, so stick with us if you want to hear that noise of that pipe, which I promise you, well worth a wait. So, let's get on without further ado. You'll see it as I see it. I'm looking at the screen as I'm walking around, recording, and you can decide for yourself if this gorgeous SP is for you. All you boys and girls coming back, thank you. All you boys and girls who are here for the first time, thank you. You know what to do with the old likey, subscribey, thingamajig. We've all been on YouTube a while, or maybe you haven't, but hit the subscribe. It is free. Sometimes I used to think you had to pay for a subscription, but no, it's just free. It's just a way of seeing stuff just as it comes on. Anyway, the SP, let's get back to the bike, Matt. Stop begging. SP, Ohlins forks, these gorgeous purple wheels. It gets the purple trim, or you call it blue if you like. And I call it purple, but I think it is blue, isn't it? And then you get this gorgeous looking tank. I don't know what you call that. Would you call that? It's not pinstripe, is it? But you know what I mean. A bit of dust on there. I thought that was a chip, but it's dust. You got this Alcantara style seat made of vinyl, so your backside doesn't get wet. You've got decent tyres on there, and as we come up, you've got the S-Tech tail tidy. A lot of nice bits on here. Cost you a fortune to get them on. And for me, part of its beautifulness that sets it apart from all the other MT-10 SPs, this one has actually been on the rolling road and remapped. Somewhere, I can't work out the graphs, but I've got the graphs, and they all go with the bike. But the Sports Cat, well, it's a Decat actually, really does make the thing sound fruity, look standard, and probably make people wonder why the hell is this bike going so fast. There you've got a quick shifter and everything on the bike. As you look around, I hope you're seeing what I'm seeing, which is that it looks absolutely gorgeous. In there, look, you've got your Ohlins back shock as well. You've got a multitude of things you can do on one of these. Also got cruise control as well, which is nice. And then you've got menu buttons on the left hand side, the right hand side. You can change the power mode and stuff like that to rain, sport, power, all that kind of good stuff. It's all there on the bike. So makes it a really sort of user-friendly bike. If your wrists are killing riding an R1 now, then this is probably the way you need to be going, because there's nothing quite like it. Mad streetfighter. My good friend had one of these, and he will be watching, I hope. And I'm not saying what he did to his in the first few miles, or mile, or 0.9 of a mile, but he knows. He knows. He didn't quite wait for the tyre to warm up, let's just say that. Look at the headers on it. Beautiful. Is that a thing? Is that standard? Not sure. It looks trick. If it is standard, it looks well. And then there's that absolutely gorgeous pipes. Little LED indicators. You've got the LED front lights and stuff as well. Just an absolute hooligan machine. Looks fast stood still. Goes faster when it's moving. So, if this is a bit of you, I totally understand that. It's not what I normally ride or anything, but I do appreciate it, and I do appreciate the ride and enjoy riding stuff like this from time to time. It really can, scare the pants off any man. And anyone that says it doesn't, they're probably lying, because it should scare you a little bit. Unless you're Casey Stoner or something. Valentino Rossi, he's not going to be much bothered by one of these, but everyone thinks they're him, don't they? Them, whatever. What a bike though. Doesn't that look good? Lovely inline four as well. It's nice and smooth. Everything's smooth. Rev like crazy. So that's your bike. You're just begging out. You want to hear that noise? It's coming, I promise you, it's coming. Tell you a few things what we can offer. So if you've got a part exchange motorcycle again, you want to put in against this bike, that's cool, we don't mind. Well, that's your first stop to get your part exchange. Look at that, there's a flipping cat hair on there. What's going on, a dog hair or something? Get off, it's our bike. So, have a look at that. Can you see the numbers on there? Yeah, there you go. So, go to the website, fill the part exchange form in, and then I know what I'm buying. Dead simple. Then, that number under there, if you want a bit of the monthly payments, the finance, ring that number. Number's on the website as well. But that's where you need to be. If you want some finance, with quick decisions, decent rates, and all that good stuff, we'll look after you. If you like the numbers, then we'll put you through. If you don't, we won't. So, after that, we've got the old Part X and the finance side of things on this MT-10 SP. You want to hear the noise? Yeah, well, delivery. We always deliver for absolutely nothing here at the Real Toy Shop. Look at that metallic in there. And my happy smiling face in a purpose-built van, big crafter. If you see me out on the road, give me a wave and a honk. I might just give you the bird, because I won't realise why you've honked me, but I'll appreciate it about 2 minutes after when I remember. But it's purpose-built van. Buy that, nothing else goes in it. And if for any reason you're in a far-flung area of the country, we have a dedicated motorcycle courier who will bring the bike to you as well. Won't cost you a penny. As far as the courier side of things are concerned, that's ours. So that's how we go on. Doesn't stop you coming to look at the bike. We'd love you to. We come on a rainy day, we'll bring it, you know, some other time. Come in the car, whatever. We're not bothered. Come and have a look. We'll have a cup of tea with you, have a yarn, have a laugh, hopefully. And then if you like the bike, we'll drop it another day. You don't have to have the bike if you come and see it. But if you can, and you're one of them from a long, long way away, using this video as your guide, if it turns up any different, then that's on us. So don't fret. Don't fret. It's what we do. Get on the website that I've just shown you, all the time frames, terms and conditions, all that good stuff for adults is on there. Have a look at that and then satisfy yourself, and if you want the thing delivering, we will do that for you. Not a problem. Noise time. Right. Before I make a noise, what we're going to do, I can hear people screaming at the telly or not that again, ask your missus first. Yep. Whoever you need permission off, your mother, your brother, your dad or your lover, get them asked before you give us a call. Because no worse than sitting there going, yeah, going through all the books, all the paperwork, you nodding your head going, yeah, love it, love it, love it. Brilliant, everything you've told me is great, I'm off to ask me missus first. Boring, grow a pair, beg for forgiveness, do what you have to do, but don't say that. Noise time, right. Drop in the comments below whether you think it's going to be noisy, not noisy, whatever. Make any comments you like about the bike, I'm not bothered. Get them on there. And also guess the mileage if you can, before I press this button. So we're at 9 minutes 12, no we're not, we're at 8 minutes 34, clock's going backwards. Did you guess it? Right, noise. God. I'm useless, aren't I? At least you can tell it's 1 hit. 10,969 miles. Mode D, Power 3, Traction Control 2. God knows what A2 is, but it's something to do with suspension. We've got a flashing fuel light, but we've got enough to do this. That light won't be flashing when you get it, because we will put some in it, because we like that. Right, ABS lights on, Matt. I can see it. Yeah, you can. Well done. 5 mile an hour, 5 revolutions of the wheel, that'll go out. Power socket down there. Plug your TomTom in, or your phone, or whatever. You've got electric Ohlins on there as well. Look, you can set your suspension. Oh, God. It's like a flipping biker's wet dream. Now, we've warmed it up a little. As we walk round it, we'll let it warm up some more. Oh, there's your little LED indicators, look. There's your ones on the back. Oh, listen, listen, listen. Brake light. Yeah, that works. I'm doing an MOT as I'm walking round just to let it warm up. There you go. And there's another flasher. Not one of them types of flasher. No, there isn't a light out. It's illegal to have 2 lights on. That's just the way it's all been for years. Little daytime running light. Right then, noise time. Let's go. Are you ready? Right. Ho, 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 ho. We like that. Right, let's go again. Focus. Are you ready? Once more for the kiddies, then I'm out of here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's one of them noises that makes your ears itch. If you know what I'm on about, drop it down below. Yeah, you know what I mean. It makes the inside of your ears tickle. So that's your bike, that's your MT-10 SP, Decat, rolling roaded, dyno tuned. Scary, scary thing. I want it in my shed, Matt, I need it. Right, number 1. If you've got a Part X, get your Part X form filled in. That's number 1. Number 2, if you need some monthly payments, the finance, talk to one of us in the office, we'll sort that all out. Number 3, let's get it paid for, get it in a van, get it to you as quick as we can. Thank you for getting this far. Probably bored you to death, but with all sorts of other videos, if you want to have a look at those, different bikes, and you want to see more, you know which button to press, give us a thumbs up, keeps us entertained, or keeps us inspired, not entertained. YouTube thinks you might like this bike, thinks you might like that playlist, and it also, I think, you should be smashing that button, helps us grow our little channel, get more bikes out to folk. That's it. Thanks again. Don't forget, ask your missus first. Bye for now.